Hi, dear students. Welcome to my channel. I'm Rajas Shribara, and today I'm going to discuss about this or that concept. Okay, to small childrens like KG nursery, like that, and class 1 also. You don't know to this and that where use. You also look this video. Then come and start the video now. Use of this and that. Today I discussed about this concept. Okay, only this and that concept to look nicely. This one is this. First one is this. This is used only things. Okay, this one, this and that. This both of use only things. This is used for the things which is close to us. Okay, which is nearby. That time you use this. Okay, this is a rat. This one is nearby, have no, that's why there what use this. This is a rat. Only one have, and nearby have, that time you used this. Okay, the rat so many have, that time you don't use this. Okay, this one also, this one look so far we having. Okay, this one also use, that also use only things. Which one? That also use for things. Which one is so far have, right? This things is so far have. Yeah, so far we have. This one, that time you use that. Only one, this cat, only one cat have, right? That time you used that only. One have, only one things, only one things have, that time you use that. So far having, that time you use that. So nearby have, that time you use this. Okay, this is a rat. This one is so nearby have, this one boy have there. This nearby which one have? Rat. That's why there what use this. Okay, this is a rat. This one is look so far having. Okay, far away having, that's why there what come? Only one cat. Okay, that's why so far have, only one have, and this one things. Okay, that time what is? That is a cat. That is a cat. Now this one and Nick pot have, right? There one Nick pot have, and so nearby have, that time you what is? This. This is an Nick pot. Okay, then this one look so far having, that's why there what come? That is a balloon. That is a balloon. Okay, now this one rabbit, one rabbit have, and so nearby have, that's why there you used this. This is a rabbit. Okay, then this one, that is a kite. That is a kite. Okay, now like that question given, answer the following questions like that given. Then you what you do? What is this? You say this is a rose. One rose, no? A rose. This is a rose. This one, so nearby have, right? Only one have, that's why they are using this. This is a rose. This one, what is that? What is that? That is a one. That is a one. Okay, like that. Now what is this? This is a frog. What is that? That is a bird.